In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Excel. The goal is simple. You will take an existing Excel workbook and bring it into Google Drive, then convert it into a true Google Sheets file so it works smoothly in the Google ecosystem. Start by opening Google Drive in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account, because the file you upload and convert will be saved to that drive. Once Drive loads, take a moment to confirm you are in the place where you want the file to live. If you prefer, you can navigate into a specific folder first, so the upload stays organized from the beginning. Next, look to the top left corner and click the New button. This opens a menu of options for adding content to your drive. From that menu, select File Upload. Your computer will open a file picker window. Locate your Excel file with the X extension. Click it to highlight it, and then confirm the upload. You will usually see a small progress indicator while the file uploads. If your file is large or your connection is slow, give it a few extra seconds until the upload completes. After the upload finishes, find the Excel file in your Google Drive file list. Double-click the uploaded Excel file to open it. Google will display the spreadsheet in a browser-based view. At this point, you may be looking at an Excel file being viewed in Google, but it is not yet a native Google Sheets document. To convert it, go to the top of the spreadsheet and click the File menu. This menu contains options for how the document is handled. In the File menu, select Save as Google Sheets. Google will create a new Google Sheets version of the workbook that is fully compatible with Sheets features like real-time collaboration, sharing controls, and automatic saving. When the conversion is done, you are working in the Google Sheets copy, and it will be saved to your drive. The original Excel file typically remains in Drive as well, so you can keep it as a backup if needed. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.